Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of activating your EmblemHealth OTC Flex Card using the Nation's Benefits website. Follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure a smooth activation process. Step 1. Visit the Nation's Benefits website. Open your preferred web browser and go to www.nationsbenefits.com. Step 2. Navigate to the OTC Flex Card section. Once you're on the home page, look for the section dedicated to the OTC Flex Card. This may be found in the main menu or under specific program offerings. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Click on Activate Your Card. In the OTC Flex Card section, you will see an option that says Activate Your Card. Click on this option to begin the activation process. Step 4. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter several personal details. These may include your OTC Flex Card number, your date of birth, your social security number or member ID if required. Make sure all information is entered accurately to avoid delays in activation. Step 5. Verify your identity. After entering your information, you may need to verify your identity. This can involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or text message. Step 6. Review the terms and conditions. Before finalizing your card activation, carefully read through the terms and conditions. Once you're familiar with them, you will be asked to accept these terms. Step 7. Complete the activation. After accepting the terms, click the Activate button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully activated. Step 8. Log in to your account. For future access, consider creating a user account on the Nation's Benefits website. This will allow you to easily manage your benefits and check your balance. Step 9. Explore your benefits. Once your card is activated, take some time to explore the benefits available to you with the OTC Flex Card. This may include a range of over-the-counter products and health resources. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.